Hi students, it's Miss Bongiorno and welcome back to another math lesson. I can't believe that we're in Eureka Module 6. This is the last of the modules in kindergarten math. Eureka Module 6, Topic A, which brings us back to something we discussed a little bit in the beginning of the year, building and drawing flat and solid shapes. Now, you might hear me use the word or the term 2D to describe flat shapes. When I say 2D, I mean two-dimensional, flat. And you might hear me describe solid shapes as 3D. Now here are some of the 2D shapes that I've taught you guys. And here are some of the 3D shapes that I've taught you guys about. So let's do a little review of what their names are and their characteristics and how to draw them. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. The sides do not always have to be equal in length. It also has 3 points or corners, and we call those vertices. Can you say vertices? Wow, it's a fancy word. This is a square. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 corners, which are called vertices. This is a rectangle. Rectangles usually have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. They also have 4 points or vertices. This is a circle. It has no edges and no points. It goes around and around forever. This is a hexagon. It's called a hexagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 6 points, which are called vertices. The way I like to remember hexagon is because it has an X in the word, and so does the word 6. Hex, 6. Hex, 6. This is a rhombus. It looks like a diamond, right? It has 4 equal sides, and it can be turned like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it also has 4 points. Now, another thing you're going to hear me talk about in this module is words that describe directions and order. So you might hear me say first, second, third. Feel free to grab a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can practice this along with me if you'd like. You can pause the video to go get those things. All right, let's practice drawing a triangle. Listen to my directions. First, we started at the top and make a slanted line down. Second, we start at that same top point and make another line down. And third, we connect them at the bottom. Let's draw a square. First, we draw a line on the top. Second, we draw a line on the bottom. They're about equal in length, as equal as we can get it. Third, connect these with a line going up and down. And fourth, connect these with a line going up and down. Now it looks like a frame. It looks like a cute little square. It's a square. Draw a rectangle. First, we draw a long line. Second, we draw another long line under it. Third, we connect. Fourth, we connect. Now we have a rectangle. Your rectangle can also go this way. Like a front door. Let's draw a circle. I like to start at the top. Maybe I'll make a little point to show where I'm going to start. And just curve around and find it again. It's very, very hard to make a perfect circle, so just try your best. Now let's make a hexagon. I'm going to start first with a little line. Second, I'm going to make a line coming down this way and a line coming down that way. It kind of looks like a ramp or a little bridge right now. Third, we're going to make a slanty line here, a slanty line here, And fourth, the last line to connect the bottom. Let's draw a rhombus. First, make a slanty line as if you're going to make a triangle. Second, make another one. And then third, make a line going in from this one, kind of angled to the bottom, and another line like that. Now we have a rhombus. Let's talk about 3D shapes. This is called a cylinder. A cylinder has two circular faces. Faces are flat parts. 1, 2. And then they're connected by a curved surface. This is a cone. It has only one face, a circle face at the bottom. And then it comes to a point. There's a fancy name for this point. It's called apex. This is called a cube. It has 6 square faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has 12 edges and 8 corners. This looks like just a ball, but it's got a special name. It's a sphere. It has no faces, no sides, and no vertices. Okay, let's learn how to draw some three-dimensional shapes. All right, students, let's start with a cylinder. We draw a pancake, a flat circle. Second, we're going to give it 2 long legs on either side. Straight lines. And third, we're going to connect these 2 legs with a scoopy smiley face. There, it's a cylinder. All right, let's learn how to draw a cone. First, draw that pancake. Flat circle shape. Second, draw a line from the edge, slanting up. Draw another line from this edge, slanting up to meet at that point. Now we have a cone. We're going to try to draw a cube. There's a lot of different ways to draw a cube, but I'm going to try to show you the one that I think is kind of easy. So, we're actually going to start with a rhombus. Remember I taught you how to draw a rhombus, the diamond shape, laying on its side. So, first I make an alligator mouth, another alligator mouth. The alligator mouths are kissing, like this. Second, we're going to add a line on this corner going down, a line on this corner going down, a little bit longer than that one. We want this one to go deeper than that one. And then the one over here, we want it to match this one. Third, we're going to draw a slanty line to connect there. And fourth, a slanty line to connect there. Last, we're going to try to learn how to draw a sphere. A sphere is like that 3D ball, remember? First, draw a flat pancake. Good. Second, draw a big circle over top of it and a little bit off to the side. Third, erase this part. Now it looks like that circle is on top of this. Fourth, we're going to color this in. This is the dark shadow that the ball is casting. Okay. And then this last part is we're going to try to give it some shadows over here. You can draw some little lines. It's hard for me to do with markers, but you would take your pencil and you would lightly add like a shadow right here, like a moon, half moon shape to show that the light is shining. The sun is right here, causing light to hit this sphere, and it's going to have a shadow over here. Next thing I really want to talk about in this lesson is ordinal words. These are ordinal words. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. All right, kids, I have a bunch of shapes lined up 1 through 10, and I'm going to ask you questions using ordinal words. What is the first shape? What is the name of it? That's right, the first shape is the square. Good. A little bit harder. Ready? What is the name of the fourth shape? The fourth shape. The hexagon is the fourth shape. Let's go a little bit harder. What is the name of the seventh shape? That's right. The seventh shape is the triangle. Will you still be able to do this if I erased the numbers at the top? I think so. If you ever need help, just count. Because these words sound like they're numbers, kind of, that they match with. Third sounds like 3. So I have a question. What is the name of the third shape? If you're struggling, just count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Correct. That is a rhombus. What is the name of the eighth shape? That's right, this is a rectangle. Let's try this with 3D shapes. What is the name of the first 3D shape? That's right, this is a cylinder. What is the name of the fourth 3D shape? Ooh. Yes, this is a cone. That's right. One more little activity. I have 10 little people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on my list of directions, it tells me what I need to draw. The first direction says that I need to give the third person in line a balloon. Point to the one that I need to give the balloon to. Good. Here you go, third person. The next direction says that I need to give the fifth person a red ponytail. Get to your screen. Awesome. That would be this girl. It says I need to give the sixth person a green hat. Point to which one is the sixth one. Oh, that was quick. How did you know? Because sixth comes after fifth. All right, here's the green hat. Okay. Now it says that I need to give the ninth person a skateboard. The ninth person. Good job, and I'm glad if you're able to count up to 9 to see who's ninth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This person gets a skateboard. Yeah. We need to give the 10th person a flag. Who is the 10th person? Awesome job. Here you go, 10th person. There's your flag. I hope you enjoyed this lesson about 3D shapes and 2D shapes, and I'm really proud of how far you guys have come. Keep watching this video if you need some tips and pointers, and have fun this week practicing these concepts.